Hey everyone, this is my apartment tour. So you walk into my room. I'm on the 10th floor. There's this really weird button. It says emergency butto, but I'm sure it said button. I don't really ever push it. Hope not to. My dining room table, I don't really use it. I just use it to hold my tea, my coffee cups and stuff. My living room. The first thing is the refrigerator. If you know anything about me, you know I don't eat leftovers, so that will probably go in the trash soon. And then this is my kitchen. It has a sink and a stove, microwave. You can see that I just bought groceries. I found Skippy peanut butter, and then I realized it was expired. You know, my life. Going outside, there's a dishwasher. Oh, not a dishwasher, a laundry machine. It's just wash only. I have to hang dry my clothes. And then leaving my kitchen, you'll next go right and you'll turn into my bathroom. So my bathroom is a pretty standard size, raised toilet, standing shower only, sink. I've got a few toiletries on the side over there. Um, Really not a whole lot of space, but just enough space to be, by myself. And in my shower, it's a pretty good sized shower. I have a window to help keep down the moisture in there. And then if you turn right again, it's my bedroom. This is a single bedroom apartment. When you walk in, I have my bed. You have a gorgeous view over there. My work desk, it's Sunday, so I've been working this morning. We're gonna get to the outside and more in a minute. Nightstand. I also have an air conditioner in this room, but I forgot to film it. I have all my shoes on top of my wardrobe. I haven't hung stuff yet. These are just most of my like teacher clothes, more of my nicer style clothes, and over here are my dresses and a few like pairs of shorts. I've literally hung one thing and I don't even know why I hung that cardigan. I have no idea. And then in the bottom drawers, the first drawer you see me pull out is all of my medicine that I brought from home. Since it's kind of difficult to get medicine here, I just stocked up and got all my medicine. Workout clothes, a few extra things. In the bottom drawer, just sweaters, jackets, toboggans. The top drawer is like my underwear and stuff, so I didn't even open that. So if you look into my living room, I have a full like living room suite. I will say that it is very tiny. A lot of the Asian people I have seen are very tiny in general. There's my air conditioner for the living room. So that is a little bit of a down for the apartment. This is my balcony. I have probably the best view. Oh, look at the humidity. Look at all that humidity. When I film this, it's 94% humidity here in Kunshan. So this is my view, and since I'm on the 10th floor, I literally have the best view ever. Oh, humidity. All of the humidity. Let's clean that again. Okay, so this is like the countryside. These are all rice fields that you're seeing, like the big square lots of land. Rice fields. There is a little like river back there. These are more apartments. Some greenhouses. There's also a river approximately in the middle of your screen that a little boat goes down every single day. It's super cute. And that's about it. So thanks guys. Appreciate it.